My beloved child, when the world feels heavy, when silence surrounds you and no one understands the cries of your heart, remember, I am always with you. You may not always feel me. You may not always see signs or wonders, but I am there closer than your breath, holding your hand even when you think you're walking alone. In your laughter and your pain, in your strength and your weakness, I am the one who never lets go. You have faced moments that try to break you, moments when everything in you screamed to give up. But look at you, you're still standing. That's not by accident. I've been carrying you through the fire, shielding you through the storm. Even when you didn't call my name, I was already working behind the scenes for your good. There are nights when you cry yourself to sleep, wondering if I hear your prayers. Yes, I do. I collect every tear. None of your pain is wasted. What you think is a delay is not a denial. It's my preparation. What you think is silence is actually my protection. I'm not far away. I am not angry at you. I'm not ashamed of your doubts or your failures. I saw them before they happened, and I still chose to stay with you. I see your heart, the broken pieces, the fears, the longings, and I embrace you just as you are. You don't have to be perfect for me to stay. My love doesn't waver based on your mistakes. I walk with you through every valley, and I rejoice with you on every mountaintop. I never take my eyes off you. Even when you fall, I'm the one lifting you up. Even when you question everything, I'm the quiet voice reminding you, you are not alone. When people walk away, I remain. When doors close, I open new ones. When you run out of strength, I become your strength. When you have no words left, I listen to the groanings of your soul. I am the God who knows you completely and still chooses to love you endlessly. Stop searching for signs that I'm with you. Just look at how far you've come. Just take a deep breath and know, I've never left your side. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. You are not invisible. I know your name. I know your story, and I'm still writing it with hope, healing, restoration, and peace. So today, rest your heart. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just walk with me. Talk to me. Trust me. Let go of the weight that was never yours to carry. I'm not going anywhere. Through every season, through every trial, through every tear, I am always with you. With eternal love, your heavenly Father,